We don't put beans in chili. Now the peppers are getting red. That'll do. Let's make some chili. So I put in 3 jalapenos, half of a diced media onion, and then I put in 5 diced red hot chili peppers. And we're gonna saute these up, season them a little bit. We'll go ahead and put those in. So I try to season every little layer as we go. So that's what I'm working on here. So that was salt. That's probably about 1/4 or 1/8 of a teaspoon, not very much, just enough to season these vegetables here. And chili powder, and that's what we're working with. Keep this going. Now you wanna go ahead and saute these until these onions are translucent. So that'll break it down a little bit. And also, there is a large garlic clove in here. So I forgot to mention that. The garlic is very important to this. Okay, so we're going to let that cook down a little bit. Now, a lot of times while I'm cooking chili, I do have to add water because you want to make sure that it doesn't dry out too much, and because it will start burning on the bottom. Okay, I think we're at that point now where it's time to add the beef. We're going to also season that beef slowly but surely. Oh, we don't want any flies. Go away. I know it looks good and probably smells even better to you, but can't have them flies in our chili, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean. As this beef breaks down, all that fat is just marinating with all those seasonings. Still got a ways to go. All right, so we got our foundations done, and the beef is in. It's broken down. It's bean time. What in the... Who are you?
Name's Tex. Folks back home, they call me Timmy. But, you can call me Tex. You cooking chili?
Yeah, I'm giving a tutorial on how to make chili. Smells real good. What you got over there in that other pot? Oh, those are my beans right there. Beans? Now, you're not thinking about putting them beans in that pot of chili right there, are you? Yeah? We don't put beans in chili around here. Yeah,
What you gonna do with them beans, boy?
Yeah, they go in, but I got a process, and I put them in after I break down the meat in the chili and get the seasonings kind of going, and you know, everything's marinating together and stuff.
Sounds disgusting, but you go on ahead.
All right, here we go. Beans in. We're gonna let that marinate in, and then we're gonna try some of that. All right, let's give it a shot. A little taste-a-rooney here. It was hot. Well, I'll tell you right now, that's spicy. Beefy. Yummy. Beanie. No, not a beanie. So the beans, another protein, adds just another nuanced flavor and texture to the chili. Anyways, try it out. I think you're gonna love it. This one, I mean, if you're not into spicy food or real spicy food, I would kind of maybe not put as many chilies in there, but definitely put the same amount of chili powder and seasoning in there, because I put those fresh peppers in there, and that actually took it up a notch, and that's why I call it fire chili. So anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Let me get one more scoop of this here. Yeah, it's fire. Here's to you. Hey, Tex. Hey, you. Yeah. Can I get you a bowl of this? You should just at least try it. Spicy. And hey, you gotta smell it, all right?
It does smell good. All right, then.
I'll get you a bowl. All right, here you go, Tex. Beans.
Good chili. I got a fix for this.
Did you just spit a bean on my cat? What if I did? What are you gonna do about it?